Welcome to Totally Mine YouTube channel. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B versus the Arduino Portenta H7. Now let's take a look at these boards' processors. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B board has BCM231164-bit quad-core processor. But the Arduino Portenta H7 board has only STM32H747Xi dual-core 32-bit low-power processor. Now let's take a look at these boards' clock speed. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B board has 1.5 GHz clock speed. However, the Arduino Portenta H7 board has only 133 MHz little clock speed. Now let's take a look at these RAMs of these boards. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B board has 2GB to 8GB DDR4 RAMs. However, the Arduino Portenta H7 board has only 8MB of SD RAM. Now let's take a look at the GPUs of these boards. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B board has 4K dual screen supported GPU. But the Arduino Portenta H7 board has only from ART graphic hardware accelerator as GPU. Now let's take a look at these wireless connectivities of these boards. These both boards has 5.1 Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now let's take a look at these onboard ports. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B board has Ethernet port to connecting to internet and networkings, and 4 USB ports for keyboard, mouses, like other devices. And this board has 2 HDMI ports, camera slot for cameras, and display slot for displays, and combo jack for audio input and output. And this board has 14 GPIO pins. But the Arduino Portenta H7 board has only 21 GPIO pins, USB-C port and high density pins for other devices. I think now you can understand about these boards very well. I have to tell you something. The Raspberry Pi Model B board is like a Alienware laptop, but the Arduino Portenta H7 board is like a Samsung Galaxy A20 smartphone. But both of these boards are very well for use. Now let's take a look at these prices of these boards. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B board is only $35 in official store. The Arduino Portenta H7 board is $103 in official Arduino store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon button, like, share and comment.